Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Indian Navy's L-39 Albatross. The Indian Navy's Aero L-39 Albatross trainer aircraft serves multiple purposes for India's defense establishment. Owned by a private company, this aircraft operates under an Indian Army serial number, simplifying operations and bypassing the need for civil certifications. The L-39 first displayed publicly at Aero India 2023 as a static exhibit boasts the registration IN091. This aircraft previously held the US civil registration NX-39MX before being deregistered in December 2022 and exported to India. Next, high altitude RUAV 200 drone. HAL's has finally initiated the assembly of the much anticipated RUAV 200 drone, making a significant step forward after a 2-year delay. The UAV 200 short for rotary unmanned aerial vehicle boasts a coaxial rotary wing design powered by a fuel engine. This flying mule is significantly tailored for high altitude logistical operations designated as LD. Next, Armenian military buying Indian howitzer. Armenia's military is undergoing a modernization effort, especially in its artillery sector. This follows potential losses of hundreds of guns during the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh war. Two indigenously developed Indian howitzer, the Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System, that is ATAGS, and the Multi-Terrain Artillery Gun MARG 155 mm CA39 CAL BR are posted to partially replace Armenia's aging Soviet-era arsenal. Next, India advises citizens against travel to Iran, Israel. The center has advised citizens on Friday against the traveling to Iran and Israel until further notice in view of the prevailing situation in the region. The advisory from the Foreign Ministry came and Iran threats to retaliate against a suspected Israeli airstrike on its embassy in Syria this month. Next, unveiling 2 new loitering munitions. VU Dynamics Private Limited, a manufacturer of defense equipment, has recently introduced 2 new loitering munitions, the APJK-6C100 and APJK-2C40. These unmanned aerial vehicles are designed for long-range reconnaissance and attack missions. The APJK-6C100 boasts an impressive range of 100 kilometers and an endurance of 50 minutes. This extended reach allows it to strike targets far behind enemy lines. It can carry 6 kg warhead, delivering significant firepower for its size. On the contrary, APJK-C100 has a maximum altitude of 4 km above sea level measured, offering a vantage point for surveillance and attack operations. Next, AMCA's integrated boarding ladder. India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program is making strides towards developing a next-generation fighter jet. One of the intriguing features planned for the AMCA is the integration of boarding ladders similar to those found on the French Rafale M and the American F-35. While seemingly a minor detail, these integrated ladders offer some distinct advantages. Next, USAF F-22 encounters landing gear issue during tow in Okinawa. On April 12th, a mishap involving a USAF F-22 stealth fighter jet was reported by the Okinawa Defense Bureau. The incident occurred at a base on the Japanese island of Okinawa. According to reports, the F-22 encountered a landing gear issue when it was being towed. The exact nature of the problem and the cause are not yet known. Thank you.